Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you here in 1 Corinthians 3 verse 17. If any man defile the temple of God, him shall God destroy. For the temple of God is holy, which temple ye are. So that is the message of the Lord for you today, that God wants you to be holy. God lives in your life. You are the temple of God. You are chosen of God. Your temple must be clean. And you should know how to separate yourselves from this world. You have the wisdom from God, and that you shouldn't partake in the earthly deeds to keep you from sinning, because you're a child of God, and God separates you from this world to be His. God wants you to be blameless. And God wants you to be careful with your life. God wants you to keep on meditating His words. And God doesn't want you to give place for the devil in your life. Thanks for watching my videos, and God bless you all. Bye.